Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Cubing. So this is my first video of the basic notations of the Rubik's Cube. So please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that in the future I will post how to solve a cube, many unboxings, how to upgrade your cubes and how to solve many other types of cubes, and I'll also be solving many types of puzzles. So let's begin. Now let's see how does a cube look. Cube has 6 colors and these colors will always be the same for every cube. White opposite yellow, green opposite blue and red opposite orange. These color scheme will be the same no matter what kind of cube you take. For example, a 2 by 2. It has the same color scheme. And a cube has 3 types of pieces: the edge piece, the corner piece and the centerpiece. So this is the edge, this is the corner and this is the centerpiece. Now let's see the basic notations or the moves what you can do in a Rubik's Cube. So this is the right move indicated by R and this is the left move indicated by L, and this is the up move indicated by U, and this is the down move indicated by D, and this is the front indicated by F, and this is the back indicated by B. Now at times there will be situations like with an R move but with an apostrophe. So apostrophe means prime, nothing but anti-clockwise. So basically what we'll do is for R move, the right move, we will turn the cube from the right clockwise, the basic moves. So for R prime it's the anti-clockwise movements. Similarly for left, this is the left what we normally do with the indicated by L, and this is the left prime which is the anti-clockwise for left. And similarly for R, this is the front move, the clockwise, and F prime is the anti-clockwise. And for back, this is the clockwise, so this is B and this is B prime. And for up, this is the clockwise, so this is up and this is up prime. For down, this is the anti-clockwise, so this is D and D prime. At times the letters will be indicated with the number 2 next to them. So if a letter is like R2, then you have to move the right side 2 times. So 1, 2. Similarly for L2, the left thing 2 times. For up U2, this. For D2, down 2, this. For back to B2 is like this. For F2 is like this. And these turns will never come with the letters will not come like R prime U, R prime 2, because no matter how you rotate the cube twice, it will always be the same. So R2 is like this. So if you move it the other way, it will always be the same. So there will not be letters such as r prime 2. Similarly for left, no matter which side you move it twice, it will always be the same since it is a 180-degree move. Now, these were the basic notations or the moves what you can make in a Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit a like if you like the video. And don't forget to tap the bell icon and set it to all videos so that you don't miss my future videos. Thank you.